Hello, my name is Jerry Babst, and I'm going to be showing you the basics of using the calculator you will use when you take the GED test. The first thing to notice is that it is similar to most calculators as it has all of the numbers right here. Here are your operation symbols: divide, multiply, subtract, and add. It does not have an equals button. It has an enter button that functions as the equals button. In order to turn it on, you will use this button right here. And when you turn it on, you will see that there's a blinking square right here. This is where you will input information. Anywhere that blinking square is where the information will be input. So if I wanted to do something simple like 2 plus 2, I can do 2, hit the plus button, hit the 2, and then I would hit equals, and your answer is going to show up over here. There are a lot of things that this calculator will do. I like to joke and say it'll do everything but round and do your dishes. If you notice all of these functions, there's buttons where there is white on the top button, and then there's green above it. In order to get a function that is the secondary function, you hit this button right here that says second. It's similar to the shift button on your phone screen to get symbols. When you hit the second button, if you notice right up here, the second will pop up there, and now any button that has a green above it will have that function when you hit the button rather than the white function on the top of the button. So if I wanted to turn off the calculator, I can do that, and it turns the screen off because the green is the secondary function where it says off right there. This calculator has a history, and so you can move the blinking square around by using this directional pad up here. So if I hit the up button, I can go see that history where I just did 2 plus 2. If I want to go use that again, I can hit over. Actually, no, I guess I need to hit the up button, and that highlights that. If I want to use that function or that equation again, I can go down here and hit the enter button, and it will allow me to use what I just did. I can, let's say I made a mistake and I wanted to do divide. I can go backwards using the over button. There's a couple ways I can do this. I can either delete what I did if I made a mistake. I can insert something by doing the second and the insert key right there, or I can just simply replace whatever the blinking is with whatever I need to. So here, let's say I wanted to divide instead. So it has now switched that to divide. I can hit over to get back out of the equation, and then I will hit enter again, and it will give me the answer. And those are the basic functions. The last thing that you can do is to clear your screen using this clear button. That does not delete what you did. It simply clears out the screen, so I can still go back up into my history and see the previous things that I had done. If I wanted to grab that 4, I can also do that by hitting the enter button, and then it brings my 4 back down. And then I can use that 4 in any number of things. So let's say I wanted to subtract something. I'll subtract 3 from that, and those are the basic functions of using the GED calculator. There will be more to come. Thank you.